Hey, sixth graders. Yeah, a lot of things happened here at school. Welcome back. Um, we're still in great shape for this math contest, so don't worry about that. I'm still, Miss Burgess out probably another week, so I'm going to be back and forth here. So sorry I got a little bit behind, and then I'm not sleeping either because my foot is having big problems. So I'm doing the best I can. So speaking of that, we did this on Monday, the puzzle it out. And the reason that we did this is because if you did it right, I know a lot of you gamed the game. You just kept guessing until it let you get by. But you produced this PDF that has some really wonderful writing. And I think if anybody would like to win $5,000 for college, go ahead and raise your hand. This is the kind of writing that you're going to need to do. So that's exactly what we're looking for. But now we need to turn our attention to the hardest math problem. And already 3 people have emailed me privately their answers, and all 3 of them were correct. So some interesting things about this. I still don't know how. I know how to do this. I know how to write your name on there. I know how to do all that kind of stuff to fill this out, but I don't know how to submit it. This, when you write on a PDF, this, I don't know if you played with this yet, you should. The writing gets very small. So also you should notice, it's not required that you have this part filled out just like you did here, but I'm going to require it. I want to see your reasoning. There's no way you're going to be able to advance without it. So this is the contact information. You need to put all that stuff. I will publish that this week. This is the part that maybe I need somebody smarter than me to read and give me a little bit of help. Teachers must, let me get out of the way here. Teachers submit entries online. And so I don't really know how I'm going to work with my friend, Mr. Gonzalez, Ms. Berg, about how I'm supposed to do that. Don't you worry about that. That's for me to figure out. What's for you to figure out, and like I said, 3 people have already sent me correct answers, is this problem here. Now, I made a video that I published on, when was that, Monday, about averages and rate of loss. So I talked about that before. I'm not going to talk about this very much. Today is Thursday. Today, I want you to go to the Jamboards. There's been some interesting things. Again, the same people who don't do anything didn't do anything. A lot of first day stuff. The first day stuff was to get you ready for this. So all this stuff, you should definitely throw away any pink notes from day one. But let's get down to the contest and that kind of thinking. I see some really good, I was looking at what Zach wrote here. He's just taken pieces from that. But remember, this is the turkey problem about the cherries. So that's all small stuff. Let's make this day about the big stuff, about the hardest math problem, because this is what's going to get you invited to the next round. Okay? So besides that, you can do this problem. This is about average, and we talked about average in the other video, and I've spoken with all the kids that I've worked with about averages. Not on that, chapter 5 in the book has averages. This problem here, number 7th grade, you could also do this problem. What is the percent decline? How much does it go down? The nearest whole number by Rusty Patch Bumblebees from 20 years ago. So this is, if you can figure out, I'll just give you a big hint. If you could figure out the unit rate, then you're going to be able to figure out how much it is for 20 years. So this is exactly the kind of math that we've done. I'm not saying it's not hard, but I love that productive struggle. So today, on your Jamboards, I want to see at least you're thinking around this, maybe some good writing. Before we get ready, it's not due until next week. So I would love for you to do 6 and 7 if you could. And even I've been reading number 8. It's different than the math we've done, but it's approachable. It's just not that easy. So I hope you have a great day. Let's try to catch up. I know I'm going to try to catch up. And I'm not going to share who's winning until tomorrow at the end of the Dreambox, but it's not necessarily the people you've seen. Again, we have people giving tremendous effort, and then we have still 7 people who have done no lessons at all this week, even though they just had 2 days off. So I don't get it, guys. Come on, you can do it. It's important for your whole life. I hope you have a terrific day.